This is Mweruka John Bosco, and I'm chilling at MJB Film Studios, where we give you the best of our films and videos. And I want to remind you now, MJB Film Studios, we do a lot of videos now. We do all types of video, ceremonial videos. Let's talk about wedding, let's talk about kwanjula, let's talk about baby shower, let's talk about graduation, let's talk about kuchala, and whatsoever other music videos. When we come to music video, twagala nnyo kola n'omuntu nga oli mukaka mu mutima, si bya pakupaku. Woera pakupaku, we are unable to work with you. Naye onabeera nga oli muntu mulamu ng'omanyi ki ky'oyagala ne ky'okola, then come, we shall work with you at a very minimum cost. Sente ez'omuntu wa bulijjo z'asobola okutegeera oba okukkaanya nazo. And today, okay, thank you. Before I go forward, first remember to subscribe onto our channel. Thank you for all the guys who are in the diaspora and you still follow us up. I wanna say big up to Halai Mary. You have been supportive to this channel. Okulaba ngo ojuwanikira ddala by calling upon your friends from the diaspora, Sweden and whatsoever, America, whatsoever. Webale nnyo Alan Mayanja, nawe webale nnyo okulaba nga videos zaffe oziraba and you go on supporting them. That's big. There's no way I can appreciate you more, but let me use this opportunity to thank you for whatsoever you're doing. Kati omulama gwa leero ogwa video eno, why we are making it is to inform the youth, the fellow youth, to always believe in yourself. This is the theme for this video of today. Always believe in yourself. This channel, okay, generally this channel is, its aims and focus is filmmaking at large. So I might not be taking you through all the necessary courses of filmmaking, but at least I will be taking you to wherever step I have left, or wherever step at least I have got an experience. That's where I will be advising you. I will not advise you the future. I will not advise you the new technology which I have not yet used. I will always advise you where have I reached and how far have I moved, and whatsoever saying or whatsoever experience of my life I will be broadcasting onto our channel will mean that if you also try that way, probably you're going to succeed. That John Bosco, I have been a one-man self in everything to develop my film business. I don't know. I did not hear anything from anybody. My family is not a filmmaking or video stuff. Maybe there is a little bit of photographers who used to be there during those days, but that is it. It's not a big deal we can talk about, but generally from scratch zero to where I am right now, it has been my own effort. And the few who have been there for me temporarily for some few days and some few years, and some of them have lost hope and left me, and because I am ambitious to what I'm making, I'm very sure that I will get there wherever I am aiming at or focusing at. My video today is believe in yourself. Why today I'm bringing this theme of believing in yourself? Let me tell you, so many times there are so many things, factors which are going to comply to your downfall. But if you don't believe in yourself, you will never stay long. You will never succeed in whatsoever you're trying to do. But the only way you can succeed in whatsoever you're trying to do is by believing in yourself. I have got so many challenges in this film business. I've got so many competitional challenges. I've got so many disguises from my friends, from whatever. I cannot mention all of them, but of the fact I can tell you, you are only one. In business and in most cases in life, when you are into your bed, you are alone, and probably maybe with your mind, you always talk together to each other. Let's start this, let's start the other one. And if you do not believe in those two people, you and your mind, you will never succeed in life. So If you fail to believe in yourself, stop always asking others what or how or how can you come up with something. Stop always asking others, is what I have done, is it worthwhile? Stop. Always believe in yourself. Let me give you some examples that in life, when you're starting maybe like a business, you will always want to inquire from people. I want to start this and this. Will it work out? Someone will tell you yes, someone will tell you no. But do you believe in yourself? When you start inside your house, or when you are with your mind, your core partner, the mind, when we are talking together, what did you come up with? I might advise you that if you start that business, you're likely not to benefit, you're likely not to value out of it. But will that help you? Did you talk with your mind for me to come in as a third party? So we always have that problem of lack of believing in ourselves. That's why in most cases, by the time you come to believe in yourselves, so many people have let you down. And this is the reason, and this is where you start to believe in yourself. This is where you start to trust yourself. This is where you start to enjoy yourself. Believing in yourself is my theme today. I'll not talk so much, and today's upload. Remember to subscribe onto my channel. Remember to like. Remember to share. Remember to comment. You can still follow us or follow me onto my Facebook channel. That's Mweruka John Bosco. Instagram, that is Mweruka JB. Then Twitter, we have an account, but that one is not running active. And you can email me at mjbfpu3@gmail.com. Be focused on whatsoever you want to discuss with me. And with mobile number, that's 256, that's 778-897452. Then that's an MTN line. Then we run an Airtel line. That's 256-701. That's 256-701-522797. Guys, thank you for watching me today's video. Guys, let me take you through. Generally, I have nothing to take you through. Okay, let's meet next. Let's meet. Okay, generally. Okay, generally. Let's meet in our next upload. That's when. Wait when we upload. Remember to click that notification button, that the moment we upload in a video, you're notified. Go there, watch it, get inspired, and love our works. We are not making any Uganda films per moment, but we are focused at something. We are aiming at something. That's the belief of ourselves. We are trying to talk about you. We have not let you down, but at least we try to communicate to you in whatsoever way. Guys, thank you for watching me, and today, that's a bye.